Innovation is the soul of a nation's progress. Innovation is the driving force of modernization. Tasly is an industry forerunner in the pursuit of modernization of TCM, walking a new innovative path. Historically, there has been no common standard for traditional Chinese medicine, and an ancient Chinese expression stated that not even a goddess could distinguish the different preparations. Tasly's founders were unwilling to follow the beaten track. So, to uncover the mechanisms of traditional formulas, they spent years studying and researching, and finally put forward the new concept of modern traditional Chinese medicine. The idea of composite Chinese medicine and the method of bioactive Chinese medicine were established. With cardio and cerebrovascular disease as the first target, the leading cause of death worldwide, TCM was taken to new levels through drug development, leaning on traditional theories of Chinese medicine and using modern research methods. Combining prevention, treatment, and acute relief in one modern TCM formulation, the Dantonic pill, a 10 billion yuan market, was created over just a decade, setting the foundation for TCM industry as an important factor in economic growth. To promote TCM modernization and globalization, Tasly is continuously seeking ways to integrate with internationally recognized standards in the pharmaceutical industry. In order to ensure the quality of the raw materials used, Tasly has carefully selected the plantations Shanxi Shangluo, Yunnan Wenshan, and set up the first medicinal herb plantation base complying with the Good Agriculture Practice Standard. What's more, Tasly was the first to put forward a new concept for the separation of active components in Chinese medicine. Good Extraction Practice established the multiple HPLC fingerprint quality control method and mapped complete expressions of many kinds of single components and clinically effective constituents. An advanced manufacture technology platform for modern TCM was established, realizing the largest dripping pill production line in the world. The whole manufacturing process was digitalized and online controlled, combined with intelligentization, achieving lean management, real-time control, and clean production. Nowadays, with the successive marketing of a large number of modern TCM products, the production model of traditional Chinese medicine is changing quietly. Based on the progress on the research of multiple solid dosage forms of preparations through technological and standard innovations, the injectable powders, such as freeze-dried Yiqi Fu Mei powder and salvianolic acid powder, are developed with strict control for high purity and larger amount of active ingredients, creating an integrated industrial chain of modern TCM complying with international standards, raising R&D and manufacture technology of modern TCM to the next level. During the process of industrialization of the single Chinese herbal medicine, Tasly insists on its self-innovation to specialize in the modern TCM around the need of human life and safety, then march to the research and development of chemical and biopharmaceuticals step by step, and finally establish the differential industrial strength with the production of each box of the highest quality of the medicines. Tasly's chemical pharmaceuticals industry has developed quickly in recent years, especially for the first glioma treatment product line, Diqing, that has become a leading brand in the domestic market with superior quality, curative effect, and safety. In fast pace of internationalization, Tasly Sant Pharmaceutical Company Limited, a joint venture with the British Coop Group, has created a unique chemical industry chain fully complying with the CGMP standard of EMEA of the European Union and FDA of the United States. Biotechnology is a fast-developing high-end industry globally and an important fundament in Tasly's Greater Health R&D program. Through development over the years, Tasly has China's largest-scale cell culture technology and industrialization capabilities. Pro-urokinase, a biopharmaceutical researched and developed for treating myocardial infarction, cerebral infarction, and pulmonary infarction, is the most representative product for these important illnesses, and is a pillar project of National 863 as well as a major industrialization project. The high-purity subunit influenza vaccine developed by Tasly has reached or exceeded the advanced level of similar international products with regard to its efficacy and safety, and filled the gap of domestic modern influenza vaccine. In cooperation with Walita Hospital in Korea, the first vertebral column specialty hospital was established in Shanghai, introducing globally leading minimally invasive spinal technology and advanced hospital management. The healthcare needs of patients are met with advanced minimally invasive spinal technology, perfect medical service. Entering into the new century, the demand and desire for improved quality of life and better health is continuously increasing, presenting an enormous development potential in the life science sector. Following this trend, Tasly puts forward the new concept of the greater health, actively promoting these ideas through education programs, developing technology, and establishing an industrial platform, perfecting the greater health service as an integral part of society. Supported by its technological advantage in the pharmaceutical field, Tasly has expanded into the fields of dietary supplement, cosmetics, health foods, functional water, etc. Tasly has applied biological technologies into development of cosmetics. For example, in one of the cosmetics products, human-derived EGF is added with target delivery technology to repair the aging and compromised cells, and to substantially improve the metabolism of skin cells. Biological technologies were also found in the research, development, and renovation of pu'er tea for the health demand of modern population. The pu'er tea, with a history of over 1,000 years from the prosperity of the ancient tea horse road, was modernized into a health product with significant effects in lowering blood lipid levels and blood sugar level, and promoting immunity. For the establishment of the greater health industry, Tasly is dedicated to developing tea as well as water beyond the ordinary health products and cosmetics for the daily needs. To face with the challenge of change in disease epidemiology and demands of contemporary consumers, Tasly has established an R&D without walls and holds active collaborations with more than 10 institutes from home and abroad. With the collaborative research centers and projects, Tasly has established a network involving core and star institutes, in-house and collaborative institutes, basic and applied research, which boosts innovations with efficiency. Tasly's R&D has been supported by a variety of state grants, such as 10th Five-Year Plan, 11th Five-Year Plan, 863 Program, 973 Program, and state key new drug discovery and development projects, etc. In a collaborative project with Tianjin University of Traditional Chinese Medicine and Zhejiang University, Tasly set up a fractionated TCM Component Technological Center, on the platform of which the understanding and knowledge of multiple TCM herbs and component fractions and the digitalized database form a theoretical and material foundation for development of modernized TCM, chemical TCM, biological TCM, and metabolic TCM products. Tasly covers her intellectual property with a net of over 1,000 integrated patents, including core patents, star patents, competitive patents, and defensive patents. Tasly was endowed postdoctoral workstation, state-level enterprise technology center, and the winner of the first National Innovative Enterprises. The marketing strategy of Tasly is: the basic market is domestic, the target market is international. Domestic market is guided by the three category concept. That is, adapt each of the urban, rural, and self-medication Medicare systems with specialized attentions. We divided the pharmaceutical markets according to formulation and indication-based submarkets analysis and dedicated to all types of professional managements. Over the years, Tasly continuously adheres to the famous brand, blockbuster products, broad market coverage, diversified end-user population, and in-depth market penetration guidelines in product development and sales. Implemented the positioning ourselves via experts leadership, promoting products via academic researches. Through educational activities such as Lecture Hall for Public Health and Tasly Health Star, it improved the healthcare awareness by our consumers, and our consumers are also provided with free healthcare consultations and healthcare management services. Tasly takes the leadership in uniting the three tiers of enterprise, hospitals, and consumers into one pharmacovigilance system. Meanwhile, provides consumers with 24 hours and zero-distance post-market services. By innovating integrating marketing model, creating consumers' value, and strengthening the function building of networks in headquarter, distribution networks, and terminal networks, Tasly has built a pluralism, academic-oriented marketing team which is domestic leading. Tasly also creates an informative marketing network covering every corner all over China. Tasly actively explores a variety of marketing patterns. It obtained the first state-approved direct sale license in Tianjin. It holds the business policy of civilized and honest direct sale. Its health products are sold in 30 provinces, municipalities, and autonomous regions. In the international market, Tasly combines direct sales with traditional distribution in her marketing strategy. In developing countries such as African and Southeast Asian countries, direct sale mode has been adopted with the establishment of health education systems. In direct sales, Tasly has pulled over 1 million distributor members in her team, and in local areas, brand effect has been formed. In some industrialized countries, Tasly has her products in the mainstream pharmaceutical markets through drug registration. A modernized TCM product, Cardiotonic Pill, is undergoing Phase 2 clinical trials for drug registration in the United States. Tasly is emerging on the road to the world along with modernized TCMs on the basis of comprehensive and profound scientific research. For the construction of a greater health industry, Tasly follows the cooperation concept of pursuing harmony of man and the nature to improve quality of life, and adheres to the enterprise value of people-oriented, credit, and understanding. Through the business principles of technology-supported, market-oriented, marketing-driven, and quality-assured, Tasly cares your life, making you born in health, live well and long, get ill late, and pass away painlessly. The people of Tasly today are exploring with boundless innovator spirit, led by tradition and innovation, honest and service, responsibility and value core cultures of traditional Chinese culture, consumer-oriented culture, and corporation citizen culture. They are carrying the great mission of creating the health for all mankind as their responsibility and marching to an even more brilliant future.